So hello and as always, welcome back to Learning MD. So many of you have been asking me regarding the Airpods third generation, and I see many of you haven't actually been thinking about it. I mean, the Airpods third generation are wonderful for 120 bucks. I mean, you've got here your charging mechanism, which is true. It is the old version of the actual charger, but the newer versions do have the USB-C. You've got the wireless charging, you can also activate it, and also you remember you've got the pairing actual button right here. Press it 3 seconds and you've got the pairing mode. So if you work in a place where there isn't much actual sound noise per general, you can actually use them. You've got here the control system. They are really comfortable if you want to do sports, and I mean in general they are pricey, but it is true that compared with an AirPods Pro, which costs around 300 bucks, I mean these are wonderful. I think they are comfortable. 6 hours non-stop of music. I mean, you can also do phone calls with them. I think they are pretty much awesome, and if you do not want to spend the 300 bucks and you just want to use them occasionally, especially at your home where you do not have any actual background noise, I mean, this is pretty much amazing, okay? Now let me know in the comments what you think for 130 bucks. Would you buy them?